so far, what would be for you the biggest challenge that you have encountered so far in manufacturing shoes?
Actually, I think how do I say that? Making the shoe
Yeah.
is not much of a problem, but
Oh, okay.
it's always I think like dealing with the designers because
Oh,
sometimes like it's like their designs could be more artistic, right? But if you put it on production, it's gonna be a different case because at the end of the day, like there are some designs that are more complicated that during the production we cannot just like do it that way because
all right.
of costings or just because also of like the materials um, they want to build it with something like that. So I think
Wow.
it's pretty challenging, but I would always, we would always like find a way to compromise and say like, look, I have this like materials for you, just in case this doesn't work, something like that. So it
Wow.
always be like, I think that's the most challenge that I can
Mhm.
encounter.